Hey everybody, welcome to episode 5 of In the Shop. Okay, so we have in the shop today B5.5 S4, as you can see, 2.7T. Came in with an issue with heat not working properly, and so we went through looking at the vehicle and determined that it needs a heater core. So we are doing a heater core, and just want to show you a little bit about heater cores. Heater cores obviously run coolant from the engine into the vehicle, and then it blows the air from your air box over that coolant, which is essentially like a radiator that's on inside your car. So the hoses actually are going to be here right in this vehicle underneath the cowl here. Normally on other cars, they would be into the firewall in the engine compartment, but because a lot of the B5 cars have it in the cowl itself, you're going to be located in there. So let's go inside the car and take a look there. Okay, so here we are inside of the car. You can see the dash is out of the car. This is your heater box that you'll see where the air actually runs through. Right here is where the blower motor goes, and then the air runs through, and then you'll come through all these ducts. This will be kind of your flap to control the airflow. The heater core is back here, which is going to be what is the controls, obviously the heat. It allows you to run the air through the heater core and then out and up into the dash vents that allows the heat to work. Any heater core that's clogged, which is usually what will happen, is it'll end up clogged and it'll stop flowing properly, or if the fins are clogged and they're not flowing air across them properly, you also could have heat problems. So as you can see, this is a very big job because the entire dash is out, the entire bar behind there is out, and we still have yet to take out this heater box and then pull the heater core out. You also do have issues sometimes with heater cores where if the heater core leaks, you'll have coolant coming into your floorboards. That's a telltale sign that you have a bad heater core, is if you have coolant in your car. So thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more like it.